Remakeup the Aju Kamadaya Baobing. Kukizo UG militants being suspension of operation with Azingli. Mahaiva Kawai, Manipur Assembly na Twitter Tahaira, Twitter Chili Kuki MLA being na Makamia Pongsho Kaira. Assam Shong Citizenship Amendment Act Li, Ngusungra Jihaira, all Assam Student Union, Nathanda ethnic groups Tumrana, agitation Sara Jihaira. Lay Kiangator, Aja the Tangkul Express Vipau, Range Bemerza in a Pamidalay, Pau being Mesa in a Nang Rumsa. Kukizo UG Group militants being suspension of operation with Azingli, Mahai Valui Kawai, Manipur Assembly to Tuk Tahaira. Suspension of operations SOO agreement chi, abrogate Sankawai State Shogarna Central Shogarli, Nizegra Jihaira. Assembly Gazipli Maram chi, Quikada, Kuki UG Group Skala insurgents being na SOO agreement li, Magashur, La State with law and order situation, Nusandaga to Tuk Katana. Kuki insurgencies with SOO Pets G, Tariq Mugada Jiko, Thursday Thang, Atambay Kahaina. Kala G extend Masali Kawai, Hangi Gajina. MLA Ranjit Nakahang, Kuki militants with case, liver, ground rules, Saigurab, Kai Kahaina. Kuki militants being na, civilians li, Sagathat, Tandi Aina Yari Lupa Kukui, Popi Kaling, the illegal activities, the third day the Sahira Gachi Ranjit na Hangsanga. SOO agreement lay haugida Central Force na Kukizo militants li nguru ka kalila bupung phada masagapai laying saka gachi MLA Ranjit na hanga. SOO abrogate sasa gachi twitak ji ruling we mila opposition parties we ainala House members ngata taidana mayangaro gachi. Ruling we aina Minister L. Susindro, MLAs TH Santi, Karam Shayam, M. Rameshwar, Kala Ibom Jazang the Mayai, La Opposition MLAs Ping, Saigorana SOO abrogate Sang Sakangai Jitaya, Opposition O legislators Ping na, Mayagahai Kala Assembly to Turkchi Center for Garli, Miva Hairachia. Lakavak Assembly to Turk Chili, Kuki Zumi Mar, MLAs Ping na, Makamia Pongsho Kaira. Kuki MLAs Taraji Nagahang, Twitter G, KNO Aina UPF Aming Zakchi Kawai Kasana, Kala Manipur Li Kuki Zumi Mar, Now Bing Li Ngadeng Sakawai, Kasana the Shitsangachi. SOO abrogate Sakawai Twitter G, Kajangkat Kushok, Young Quida Factual Assessment Aina Maningla, Kuki Li Young Chat Ningai Aina, Kasana the MLA Pingchin Hanga. Tripartite Agreement Kalejina, Kapung Districts Li, Rotkamrat Sitang Sakta Kapa, Ngasaya Kachila MLA Ping China Hangsanga. Assam Shong Citizenship Amendment Act Li, Ngusungra Gajik Ngawao Haira, all Assam Student Unions AASU Zang the ethnic groups Tumrana, Center for Garwi, Paikar, Chulu Kangusung Agitation, Savaraj Haira. Kadam now long jina, Kanal Thang Tari Kutum District Headquarters Saigorali, Bike Rally Zadra, Kala CAA Impose Kasa, Timik Shothang Ayin Chiwi Kopi, Totara Jidalay. March Tarik Jishathang, Martyrs Pangali, Tribute Mirror, Tarik Jikothang 12 hours, Hunger Strike Sara, Kala District Headquarters Saigorali, Sadyagraha Civil Resistance Jitay Kawaila Ngrandalay. Aja Honthang AASU na Thanda, ethnic groups Tumrawi, Minganin Bin Guwahati Li, Kangasan Kuigaya. AASU Chief Advisor Samujal Bhattacharya Nagahang, CAA wi Maramli Supreme Court Li, Ngarar Fulay Laka, Center na Implement Sara the Kalehi, Mangayimana. CAA wi Hearing Supreme Court na, Assam, Tripura, Kala Northeastern States Pingwiwang, Titak Mataranga Gachi, Bhattacharya na Hanga. Shogar the indigenous Mibingwi Mirinli, Mangario Nganaurino the Bhattacharya na Hangsanga. 2024 Humpung River Panit Mion Haira. Panitji Humpung Village Authority na Mukok Mida Gazipung High School Ground Lake Miona. Humpung River Panit Kamayon Chili, Ukrul ex MLA Alfred Kangam Arthur na Muso Sadavazanga. Ukrul Deputy Commissioners IAS Gengo Zuring Lana, Kayawo Sadavazanga. Panit Jili Tangkul Shinau, Kala Long Tangkul Nagalongwi, Minganin Pingla Bangaruma, Muso Alfred na Kamudili, Idumwe Alumli Kokasada, Mushunga Kawai Kasatsanga, ex MLA Chinagahang, Arihon Road Kamarat, Ngamung Rock the Clay Tada, ishimasa asa ithumui mushun ithumui identity chi ngakta ngushan ngaksada Alfred Kangam Arthur kasat sanga Hungbung Rira Night la ngran mida ranye chili Tangkhul Region CAO Unguyung Sayana Mso Samia Imphal Wesley Police na KCPNW mi gutum tukui haira atumwili kutlai leigsa kuimi haira mi bingjina singjat kasa mobile handsets phanga kala lupa lakmati police na kuimi haira Police pau atishura mi bingju aina samgaphang kutlai bingji reader security forces su aina ngupon thui hai kasa ammunition marawa jidalai PTI pau atishura proscribed Kanglaipak Communist Party Nongdren Kombawi mi El Alin Harris Maibam Kalabila Oinam Atumli Tukukwina Tukui Gahai Pingwi Tungli investigation that Kwai case Tasang Haira India Li Chukpoma Shankh Machine Leopard population 2018 kum 12,852 lay Kisaji Ara 13,874 Kashung Haira Chia Muram Hi Union Minister for Environment, Forest and Climate Change Bhupender Yadavna, ex-li Posada Kahang, India li Leopard Kale, Madhya Pradesh li Jungmaituya, Madhya Pradesh li 3,907 leopards lay the Lechia. Pau hi shada Prime Minister Narendra Modi na ringpa Pongshoka. Modi na Kahang, Chukpoma Shankh Mayagasang hi India na biodiversity wivang hotnada Kale Jithaya. PM na post Chili Wildlife Protection wivang Otsada Kale Saigorili Mayakangai la Pongshoka. Marun Tarik Muguthang, Chirap Court Complexly Security and Force Henda, Shijin Hawa Gaji Maramli FIR Tasang Haira. Pau Hi 12 Manipur Legislative Assembly Gazipli, House Kathana Chief Minister N. Biren Singh na Kahangna. Itum na Paning Ungbai, Ajagajang 5th IRB wi Kutlaing Bon Gatui Case Li Police na, Mayday now to Rup Tukui, Kayari Kaikanami Bingji, Kayon Malay Manada Atum, Jihomi Kawai Boda, Chirap Court Complexly Protest Vasai. Security na force henda shijin hawa da Chili Makamya Manipur lawyers pingnala condemn sahira sai. Chitharan All Manipur Bar Association wi President Puyam Tomjana Kahang Chirap Court Complexly protest kasaji mi gujungla maning mana protester gujunga shinauna kala Chili Rapid Action Force na henda kasa dargar makasana ka RAF china media personal la advocates tangda yari witung the excessive force shijin hawa chi. RAF na yari kamkui kawai kasali tear gas shells la taser sijinda protest kasana uping kaika sadzahawa chia Maram Chiwang retired Chief Justice na thanda inquiry that kawai lawyers pingchina pohaira sai yari la lawyers pingna demand kasali nghan ka da Chief Minister na kahang chithang yari na court complexly namjang the court li khuiwag hai kasa accused pingjili wa khuisho kawai kasana chi State Police na mob control masarar to the Rapid Action Force hogasang na chi. Court pamle excessive force shigijinji maphamana ka security migyan aina yanga ka mob control gasa la accused pingli mob wi aina khangak la dargar salaka da CMBR na hanga. Otchot juiwang FIR thasang haira kala dargar sa akha inquiry la zadra da CM na hanga. Imphal West Additional SP li attack kasali Manipur Police Head Constable la jangsada suspend sahira. Ochot jiwi FIR gathali Constable ba jiwi aming la jangsada ahi arambai tengol wi active member da leira gachi ningmong da lei. Pausam ka phangtha akha suspended officer pa hi ridal la ain le mutung makanda kasal lei haira sai. Head Constable G 2020 kum khutlai lei kasa case li jangsada police officer Amit Singh na tukhuya chi. Amit na chu atam li more wi additional SP sasai acha honthang additional SP Amit wi shimli ate kasa ji 2020 kum tukukhui ochot li ngsun salabai the investigation jatalai Churachandpur li yarina maisi kami ochot li ngsun da FIRs t-shirt thasang haira Pau hi Chief Minister N. Biren Singh na hangda cases t-shirt wing jaili Khaniva Central Bureau of Investigation li mihaira chia Case Khaniji militants chang marau da CBI li refer sa gahaina mai gasa la saka khayang ochot chili gajang mi magu mujut khui haira chia acha gajang Churachandpur li Kuki Head Constable suspend gasawi aina yarina makhamiya ji theida DC complex bungalow mai sikhami la SP office li la properties sakhayang mi hawa yari pingchina national philan li khaya magshi otsak la sayachi Yari ashang aina gazat jili AK-47s kasingla thai khuye da ochot jili arm miscreant zanga kichi hanga ochot ji mushok rang lakha wi mamangli rot khamrat chok khawai ka kasat tweet kasanaw akhui tungli la FIR thasang hairachiya CM Biren na kahang Yari control sa kawai security forces na lathi charge smoke bombs shijinna kala ochot jili mi khani thi sanghau state forces thuruk saje ITBD personnel akha kala civilians hangmati da gutum saje hawachi Manipur le NRC implement saragachi assembly na reaffirm sahaira Maram hi assembly gizibli MLA leishio kaishing na propose sada National Register for Citizens NRC implement sakawai resolution tahira Resolution G Congress MLAs phanga muzangla ga khuina magacha leihau da athum session nguhunda shokhawachi Chief Minister N. Biren Singh na NRC kankhana maram li hangsang da Manipur li mi machine henlak aina jungsang da khalai matailak aina Saikot Churachandpur Khangpokpi Tengobal Henglep khala Saigul Pamli Thekhuyachi Myanmar we aina illegal migrants rakazang li shorgar na saklak aina khuya gichi la hangda NRC implement kasa dargar salak haira gichi tutak takhuya Manipur Road Kamarat hina Tingphum Liwatli Sajada Farmers Pingwi Dan Sinrin Dila Zakshilak Aina Zahaira Agriculture Minister DH Biswajit Nakahang Agriculture Department na Shangukui Atishura 2023 May We Aina Maitei Kuki Road Kamarat Alung Hili Manipur Widli 5,127 hectares Kadali Sajahawa Lui Muthada Mavagasang Langpoga Haizangda Mahat Swikata Yang Akha Ma 15,437 metric tons shika lupa 38.6 crores manwi shiman kahainachi. Minister DH Biswajit Nakahang crisis hina 5,901 farmers kadali sajaya. Mashingji Deputy Commissioners pingna ichichawi apamle shankukui atishura kahangna. Sajag high farmers ping jaili 3,483 farmers siwang compensation lupa 18.37 crore kada miyamiya. Home Department na funds chi Marun Tarik Magada Akhathang sanction Samiachi. Agriculture Minister na kahang Taida Khalei 2,399 farmers pingli John Mikawai Deputy Commissioners pingli verification process jat muhung dalai. Ara itum kajishat nganang rumsa. Rupai Gudam Nalong RKL Executive Council Pungwu election mayo March Tarik Magada Khani thang langshin sahaira. 2024 to 2027 Wivang President, Vice President, General Secretary, Finance Secretary, Kala Education Secretary, Pungwu Phangahi Wivang Mingning Kapanga Khawai nominate Sakhangai Bingli Adam Midalay. Nomination Election Commissioner RKL Office Wino Bazar, Ukruli Kumibaira. Nomination Migsang March Tarik Tarada Pangana Kanawang Sara. Last date of nomination 5th March Ainatangda Adam Migasaji extend Sami Gahaina. Scrutiny withdrawal Tarik Tarada Turuk Aina Tarada Jikowi Alungli Salaga. Election Aina counting 22 March Lisara. Pauhi RKL Election Commission na Jishat Kamina. The leader Aju Kamataya Baubing. Kukizo UG militants ping suspension of operation with Azingli Mahaiva Kawai Manipur Assembly na Twitter ta haira Twitter chili Kuki MLA ping na Makamia Pongshok haira Assam Chong Citizenship Amendment Act li Ngusungra Jihaira All Assam Student Union na Thanda Ethnic Groups Tumrana Agitation Sara Jihaira Aju Pau Hiling Jang Haira Pau Ngana da Kalina Tum Sai Gorali Ring Pakala Kamahaya Zimishom Sasarano